Yes, good morning children, my dear 7th class students. Today exercise 3, page number 37. In last class exercise 2, model problems are finished. That exercise 2 and exercise 3 are similar problems. So that's why I will go for the exercise 3. Now look at here. In exercise 3, find each of the products. The first problem, first one, find each of the products. Now first one 5 by 6 into 7 by 11. Already yesterday in last class I told that multiplication of fractions, first you should be, see that one, is there any cancellation for numerator and denominator, we want to check it. So 5, 6 is it cancellation, or 7 by 11 is cancellation, we want to check it. No, it won't be any cancellation. 5, 11 or 7, 6 also it won't be cancellation. That means cancellation means it won't go any same table. It won't go in same table. So that's why what we have to do that, look at here children, if there is no any cancellation, direct multiplication you have to do that one. The numerator part of the first fraction and the numerator part of the second fraction. That means 5 into 7 by the denominator is both denominators 6 into 11. Now what is that 5 into 7? 35 by 6 into 11, 66. And here 6, next problem, 6 into 1 by 5. 6 into 1 by 5 means this is 6, can write it as 6 by 1. Now 6 by 1 into 1 by 5. That means here also no cancellation any numerator by denominator. So that's why you can do that 6 into 1 by 1 into 5. 6 into 1 by 1 into 5. That means what is the 6 by 5 will come in? 6 by 5. 6 by 5 can write as this is improper fraction, you can write this mixed fraction 1 by 5. That means in 6 how many 5s are there? 1 5 is there, and what is the left? 1 is there, remainder is 1 by same denominator. 6 by 5 means 1 by 5 can write it. Now second problem, next one, 2 1 by 3 into 3 1 by 5. How can you express this one? 2 1 by 3 into 1 3 by 5, 3 1 by 5. This is 1 by 5, you can write like this. Here, look at here. The mixed fraction convert into improper fraction. 3 2s, 6 plus 1, 7 by 3. 7 by 3 into 3 1 by 5 means 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 1, 16 by 5. That is equal to 7 into 16 by 3 into 5. 7 into 16 by 3 into 5. Because there is no any cancellation, any numerator denominators. So if there is no any cancellation means you should multiplication direct numerator part into numerator part and denominator part into denominator. 16 sevens 16 sevens 112, 3 5s 15. Next, this is the first one. Second one, multiply and reduce in lowest terms. Multiply and reduce in lowest terms. Now you can write 2 by 3 first in second Roman first one, 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 5. 2 by 3 into 5 1 by 5 means, listen here, 2 by 3 into 5 5s are 25 plus 1 26 by 5. Now 2 into 26 by 3 into 5. How much you got? 226. 52 by 15. 52 by 15. 52 by 15. You can express this one as mixed fraction also. How it is coming? 52 by 15 means 52 should divide with 15. How many times it goes? 15 3 is 45. 54 60. It overcross. And what is the left here? 7. 12 minus 5 7. That means 3 7 by 15. 3 7 by 15. 3 7 by 15. You can write it. Like this. Next, second problem. 2 by 7 into 1 by 3. 2 by 7 into 1 by 3. Here also it won't be cancellation. Any numerator, denominator. Then you can direct multiplication. 2 into 1 by 7 into 3. That is equal to 2 by 21. 2 ones are 2 by 7 into 3, 7. And third problem. What is given third problem here? 9 by 3. 9 by 3 into 5 by 5. So listen here, 9 by 3 into same numerator by denominator, it becomes 1. 5 by 5 means 1. 9 by 3. And 9 by 3 again cancellation. 3 ones are 3 threes are cancellation. Numerator, denominator cancellation. Now what is the left here? 3 into 1 by 1. 3 ones are 3. 3 by 1. 3 by 1 means 3 by 1 means 3. Yes, this is called. And here two Romans are finished, children. Then it will go for third Roman. Third Roman. What is the third Roman is given there? Third Roman. Which one is greater? Which one is greater? Which one is greater? In 3 Romans, each one is greater. Now, there are two problems are there. I will tell you one problem. One problem is homework for you. The first problem, 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. Now look at here, 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 or 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. So there are two problems there. This one is 1 and this is 1 is 1. So in these two, comparing by 2, which one is greater we want to identify. First of all, we'll see. First, 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 is equal to 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 is equal to, that is, what is that? 2 by 5 half means into 4 by 7. Now, these are 2 4s are 8 by 5 7s are 35. 8 by 35. This is 8 by 35. Next one, 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is equal to 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. Next, 3 1s are 3 by 4 2s are 8. 3 by 8. Now, which is the greater, 8 by 35 or 3 by 8? See there, which is the greater means, already I told that one in first exercise, how you compare two fractions, how you compare of two fractions. One is 8 by 35 and second one is 3 by 8. Which is the greater? Now see there, go for cross multiplication. See there, 35 into 3. 35 into 3, how much? 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, and 10 105. Next, 8 into 8, 64. Which is the greater? 105 is greater. 105 means what? 35 into 3. This is the greater. So, therefore, what is that? 3 by 8 is greater than 8 by 35. That means 3 by 8 means, what is the answer? This one is. Yes. 3 by 4 means what is 3 by 8 means what is that? 3 by 4. 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 5 of 1 by 7. Once again see children. You see, there are two problems are there. One is 2 by 5 of 4 by 7 and 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. The which is greater, 2 by 5 or 4 by 7 means 2 by 5, half it into 4 by 7. Now, so there is no any cancellation. Direct multiply 2 4s are 8, 5 7s are 35. Second one, 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 means here also there is no any cancellation numerator by denominator. 3 1s are 3 into 4 2s is 8. Now we should compare 8 by 35 or 3 by 8, which is greater. 8 by 35, 3 by 8. So only two fractions. While comparing of two fractions, it is easy method. Go for the cross multiplication. Cross multiplication means this fraction denominator and that fraction numerator. 35 into 3 is 105. And this is numerator and denominator. 8 8s are 64. Which is greater? 105 is greater. 105 means what is that? This and this fraction. 3 by 8 is greater than 8 by 35. 3 by 8 means what is that problem? 3 by 4 of 1 by 2. So 3 by 4 of 1 by 2 is greater than. So 8 by 35 means what? 2 by 5 of 4 by 7. Like this method. Okay children, you can do that next problem. Homework. What is that homework? I'll give that homework. Okay, you can copy it. And second problem, what is the second problem is given there from your textbooks. Half of 4 by 7, half of 4 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. So you can do this problem as per the first problem. 1 by 2 of 4 by 7 or 2 by 3 of 3 by 7. This is homework problem. You can do it homework. Next, fourth problem. Third problem, second problem is homework. And fourth one, what is given there? Rekha works 2.5 hours per day on her embroidery. She completed the works in 7 days. How many hours did she take to complete her work? So here in this problem is given Rekha works 2.5 hours per day. Per day, how much work? How many hours she was working? 2.5 hours. So the number of works, the number of hours works by Rekha per day. The number of hours works by Rekha per day, 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours. Next, how many days? 7 days. Number of days is equal to how many days? 7 days. Similarly, like this, she works in 7 days. For day 2.5 hours. How many days she was working? So number of days was number of days working is equal to 7 days. So total hours in 7 days is equal to 2.5 into 7. 2.5 into 7. That means 2.5 means 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 2 into 7. Next, 7 can write it 7 by 1. There is no any cancellation. 5 7s are 35. 35 by 2. 5 7s are 35. 2 1s are 2. 35 by 2. So 35 by 2 you can express it as that again mixed fraction. 35 by 2. 2 17s 34. 1. Listen here. 32 17 72 34. What is the remainder? 1. That means 7 1 by 2. What is that? 7 17 1 by 2 hours. Look at children. So the number of hours working by Rekha, the number of hours working by Rekha per day, 2.5 hours. Per day, 2.5 hours. Number of days working means what is 7 days. Total hours in 7 days is equal to 2.5 into 7. That is equal to 35 by 2. 35 by 2 means 7.5 hours. Per day, 2.5 hours like that. In 7 days means 17.5 day. Hours, 17.5 hours. This one. Next one. And fifth problem. A truck runs 8 km using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance it cover by using 10 2 by 3 liters? 10 2 by 3 liters. Children, fifth problem. Fifth problem is given. See your textbooks. Without textbook, it is difficult to do problems. Children should buy your textbooks and verify your textbooks and see and follow the textbooks. Fifth problem is given. Per 1 liter, 80 km distance it will coming. With 1 liter of petrol, 8 kilometers distance covered. So what is the distance covered in 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol? So listen here. The distance covered by truck in 1 liter of petrol is equal to 8 kilometers. With 1 liter petrol, how many kilometers is travel? 8 kilometers. So asking that question, what is the distance? The distance covered in 10 2 by 3 liters with distance covered with 10 2 by 3 liters. How much is asking? So with 1 liter 8 kilometers, what is the distance covered? The 10 2 by 3 liters. That means 10 2 by 3 into 8. You have to multiply both. For 1 kilometer this much kilometers. For 1 liter petrol this much kilometers is going. With 10 2 by 3 liters, how long it will go? Listen here. That means 10 2 by 3 into 8. You can make it mixture fraction. 10 3s are 30 plus 2, 32 by 3 into 8 by 1. Is there any cancellation? Nothing be cancellation. Isn't it? No cancellation. 32 by 3 won't be cancellation, or 8 by 3 is also won't cancellation. Now direct multiplication. 32 into 8 by 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 32 8 means what is that? 32 into 8. 32 into 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 1 25. 256. 256 by 3. And again it can change it as mixed fraction. 256 by 3. 3 8s are 24. 1 is remainder. 6 brought on. 3 5s are 15. 1. 85 1 by 3. 85 1 by 3 liters. Sorry, 85 1 by 3 kilometers. See children, with 1 liter of petrol, how long it travel? 8 kilometers. What is the distance to cover? 8 kilometers. With 10 2 by 3 liter petrol, how long it goes? That means how many kilometers it covered means 10 2 by 3 into 8 means 10 2 by 3 is a mixed fraction. You can convert into improper fraction. 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 2, 32 by 3 into 8. 8 can express 8 by 1. 32 into 8, 256. 3 into 1, 3. 256 by 3, you can express as 85 1 by 3 kilometers. So with 10 2 by 3 liters of petrol, what is the distance to cover? 85 1 by 3 kilometers. Okay children, today 5 problems you can finish it. 5 problems are finished. You can practice more. In that one, I give one homework also. You can complete that homework and send it to me through the WhatsApp. Okay children, bye.